Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Group Policy API DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. As we look at the manual steps for Group Policy API, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Group Policy API. It manages the retrieval and application of local and domain-level system policies. It is critical for managing user permissions and system security settings. If this file is missing, the Group Policy Client service will fail to start, resulting in access denied errors and the inability of Windows to apply security updates or registry restrictions. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. When a core file like Group Policy API DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Group Policy API message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be aware that manual interventions for Group Policy API DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Group Policy API and registry optimization. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Group Policy API working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.